welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this time we're doing my March premium box. March was one of the months with a Lux box, or Luxy box, I don't know. So there was no base box. Luxy, or Lux, replaces that, so we'll do that in a minute. But we're going to do premium first, since I think it's like the lower value box. So anyways, we've got our little card here with the infos on the back, and we're going to dive right in. So first thing in here is like this really biggish kind of box here. And this is by Kypress, and it's the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. It retails for $145. My goodness. It says this pairing packs technology-forward skincare first illumination and shimmer. The Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the Shimmer Palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. So let's take a look at what's in here. So here is our eye serum and primer. It's just in one of these little eyedropper bottles, like so. So that could be interesting to try out, see how it does. And then our little palette here. I'll go ahead and block the mirror with the box. We've got some pretty colors, actually. Those aren't so bad. They're all shimmers, and the names of the colors are Starlight, Diamond Fire, Sun Glitter, Gold Aura, and Shadow Alchemy. So that might be alright. We'll see how it does. Pop that back down in there. Now, next thing in here, I'm a little bummed about. Honestly, I was excited seeing I was getting something from Too Faced, and then I read about it, and it has coconut water in it. So I was like, fuck, I can't use it, so I guess I'll try to resell it. This retails for $35, and it's the Hangover Primer. This revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. So I'll probably end up listing this guy on my eBay. So if anyone wants it, I'll go a little less than the retail value. I'll probably sell it for like $20, $25. Shipping included. Whatever you think. Because I can't use that because of the coconut. Sadly. I'd love to be able to, but alas. So that sucks. The next thing, let's see here. Where is it? By Bite Beauty. This is the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in the color Orange Fizz, and this retails for $27. An intensely bold, clean lipstick that's hydrating, long-wearing, and lightweight with easy application and waterproof wear. Now you got my interest. Ooh, it's all rubbery. Where's it open at? Ooh. Okay, I was like, why are we not opening? Alright. Boy, that is really, really orange. My goodness. That is very orangey red, but I'm into it, so I'm not going to complain. Alright. Here for it. Love to see it. Okay, back in. Here we go. Into the to be reviewed pile we go. Now, next up, by Beauty Diva London, we have a Diva eye brush set that retails for $48. Not a very big box for $48. Perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Well, I can always use more of those. Oh, they're all individually packaged. Oh, okay. Okay. Not gonna lie, these both look and feel crazy cheap. But as long as they perform well, I won't give a shit. But, yeah, not gonna lie, that looks like something you'd buy at the dollar store. Like, no offense, but full offense. I'm such a little brat, I know. Alright, here's something that I actually bought with my own money before, so I'm actually super stoked to have another one of it. This is the Tarte Big Ego Vegan Mascara. It retails for 23 bucks. Yes, this is one that I actually did shell out for because it's that effing good. Oh my goodness. So, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Is this the one that comes with... No, I'm thinking the primer, because I was like, one of these also comes with like a little mini as well, but no, I'm thinking of the primer. But still, cannot complain. Just saying. Definitely like having more of that around. Because this one does work crazy well. And then finally, by House Laboratories, the Rip Lip Liner. In the color On Point. It retails for $16. This creamy high pigment lip pencil balances precision with one stroke demi-matte payoff to slay your lip look every time. This comfortable long-wearing formula was made to outline with ease or fill in for all over color. Let's see it. Oh, thank God. Since the little thing on the end was in black, I was like, please tell me this is not a black lip liner. Oh my God. No. That's... Alright, okay. We can work with that. This is okay. For all the squeaks, I'm like so scared of breaking it. Oh, that's hella light. That's like... That may be lighter than my natural color. Holy crap. Love the cap. Pretty cool. Alright. Very versatile, not gonna lie. And that is what I got in my March Boxycharm Premium box. I mean, especially because of that one primer that I'm gonna have to resell. I'm not as stoked about this one as I have been about past ones, but there's other good stuff in here, so I mean, it's not a total bust. So, anyways. That's about it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it and get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating, the donation link, as always, is down in the description, and it does help out so much. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.